Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're opening some of our ham that I canned a couple of weeks ago. We're going to be trying it. I'm making ham salad, but I'm going to taste a bite before, and I just opened it. I haven't even tested it, but I just opened it and poured the grease that had built up off of it. Y'all, it's like having ham at Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever. The taste is wonderful. I put the ham broth over it. I'm just going to take some out, and it's falling apart because it's been pressured at an hour and 30 minutes. Once you take, I just went and poured the broth out. Once you take that out, and you can use the broth if you wanted to in soups and stuff like that, but right now we're concentrating with the ham. Okay, this is all meat. I took most all the fat off and just processed the meat. And if you're gonna make ham salad, you can boil eggs and stuff like that, but I'm in a hurry and I don't have time to boil eggs. I'm taking relish, because I already have relish made, a touch of mayonnaise, and it tasted plenty salty, and I like a touch of mustard in mine. And we're just going to mix it up, and you're going to have ham salad. Quick, easy meal. You can do turkey, you can do chicken, or any meat, I guess, if you wanted to, this way. And if it doesn't have enough mayonnaise, you can always add a little more. Doesn't have enough pickles, and like I said, if you like eggs, whatever, you could add anything to it to make it. Actually, a fresh apple would be really good in this, but I don't have one right now. That is what it's looking like. It looks awesome. I'm going to get a bite. I wanted pickles and all, so I know what it's tasting like. That's going to be perfect. So guys, ham salad from a jar. It's really good. Takes just a few minutes. You saw, no time to make up. Toast your little bread, grab a few crackers, whatever. Use it as a side dish with your meal. You're good to go. Quick meal, 5 minutes, you're done. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.